Hello everyone, this is my bike Montra Backbit. It's a 27.5-inch entry-level XC mountain bike. It's been 2 years since I had this bike and I used it extensively for off-road and on-road riding. Now I am in a position to review this bike for you people. I will tell you about the good things of the bike, what is not good about this bike, and whether this bike is a real value for money or not. We will go ahead and start with the bike frame. Well, I have to admit the bike frame is of superb quality. The 6061 aluminum alloy is really a lightweight and durable material. After hundreds of kilometers of rigorous riding, I have no issues with the bike frame and the bike frame is still intact. Besides, the frame also coming up with a lifetime warranty makes it more worthwhile. The bike comes with a Zoom suspension. It's a coil spring suspension with 80 mm of travel. It comes with a stiffness adjustment and a lockout lever. It's a very basic entry level suspension, but it does its jobs nicely until and unless you hit any big jumps or aggressive downhill trails where the things can go nasty. And to be fair, the suspension is not designed for such things. Overall, the suspension has been working well. Coming on to the brakes, the Logan LG 300 mechanical braking system has been working good till date, so no issues from this area. The tires on this bike are Kenda tires. The heavily treaded 1.95-inch tires gives you enough traction to handle off-road terrains and is also not wide enough to slow you down when you want to go fast. The 27.5-inch size clears the obstacles with ease. The other good feature about the tire is its reflective sidewall, which looks spectacular in night conditions when light gets flashed on it. The bike comes with a Shimano Tourney derailleurs at the front and the rear. The shifting is not that smooth and fast. The front derailleur demands a good effort from the thumb for shifting from low to high gear. The rear derailleur also misfires sometimes, but they both work and will get your job done once you get used to it. It's not that I did not encounter any failures on this bike. The first major problem on this bike was this. Yes, my left crank arm came off and I am still not able to fix it properly. The only solution to this problem is changing the bottom bracket or the crank arm, and in worst case maybe even both. The derailleur hanger also came off and I somehow managed to fix it. Chain coming off from the cranks was a common problem. The saddle quality also degraded and you can see the worn out leather and punctures on the seat surface. But again, this happened because I started abusing this bike for which it was not meant for. This bike has certain limitations which you can expect on an entry level mountain bike, and if you stay within the limits, this bike won't create any problems and you will enjoy the ride on this bike. The Montra Backbeat 27.5 is a very balanced bike. The 27.5-inch tires clears the obstacles with ease. The 3x7 drivetrain offers a wide gear range to do a whole bunch of different terrains. When it came to climbing, I was very satisfied with the performance of the bike in this area. The bike geometry and the 90mm stem helps you to climb long and steep gradients. When pace is required, the response of the bike is also very good upon every power stroke. The 680 mm wide handlebar gives you enough confidence to steer your bike in fast moving conditions. However, one needs to be very careful while going downhills very fast, as the bike geometry is not designed to do this. Overall, it's a bike designed for thrill and adventure. Altogether, the bike still rides well. The matte finish paint job has not degraded yet. The wheel rims are fine, no issues with the cockpit or the wheel hubs. And most important, I still enjoy the ride on this bike. So, it's a very cool bike. You don't require deep pockets to own it, and as an entry level mountain bike, it's a very good value for money. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.